Investing in real estate with life insurance as a family can be a collaborative and strategic effort to build wealth, foster financial security, and create a legacy for generations to come. This innovative approach combines the benefits of life insurance and real estate investment to maximize the financial potential of your family unit. In this expanded discussion, we'll delve deeper into each aspect of this strategy, exploring the nuances, benefits, considerations, and a real-world example to illustrate how families can embark on this journey together. Life insurance. Life insurance is a versatile financial tool that provides a payout to beneficiaries upon the policyholder's death. It is essential for family members to comprehend the different types of life insurance policies available to make informed decisions. Term life insurance. This policy provides coverage for a specified term, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. It offers a death benefit but does not accumulate cash value. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance is a permanent policy that lasts for the policyholder's entire life. It features a death benefit and accumulates cash value over time. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance is another form of permanent insurance that offers flexibility in premium payments and death benefit amounts while also accumulating cash value. Real estate investment. Real estate investment involves acquiring properties with the intention of generating rental income, realizing capital appreciation, or both. It has long been recognized as a reliable strategy for building wealth, offering various avenues for investment, including residential, commercial, industrial, and real estate investment trusts. The marriage of real estate and life insurance for families. Now let's explore the steps and advantages of combining life insurance and real estate investment as a family. Number 1. Choose the right life insurance policies. To embark on this collaborative journey, family members should select the most suitable permanent life insurance policies for their individual needs and financial situations. Whole life and universal life insurance policies are typically the most appropriate choices because they build cash value over time. Number 2. Build cash value collectively. Each family member pays premiums into their respective life insurance policies, allowing the cash value within each policy to grow tax-deferred. This cash value acts as a valuable financial resource that can be tapped into later. Number 3. Take out policy loans collectively. The collective strength of your family's life insurance policies lies in the ability to take out policy loans against the cash value. These loans often come with low interest rates and are not immediately taxable. By deciding as a family to leverage this option, you can unlock the potential of your insurance policies to fuel your real estate investments. Number 4. Invest in real estate as a family. Once the funds from the policy loans are pooled together, your family can collectively invest in real estate. This can take various forms, such as purchasing rental properties, investing in REITs, joining real estate partnerships, or even venturing into real estate development projects. The choice of investment vehicle will depend on your family's financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 5. Benefits of the strategy for families. Policy loans are typically not taxable, allowing your family to access funds without immediate tax consequences. Over time, the cash value within your insurance policies can grow, providing a stable source of funds for both insurance needs and real estate investments. Life insurance policies often come with creditor protection, shielding your assets from certain legal claims. Real-world example for families. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario to illustrate how a family can put this strategy into practice. Imagine a family of 4 parents, John and Mary, and their 2 adult children, Sarah and David. Each family member purchases a whole life insurance policy and consistently pays premiums, allowing the cash value in their policies to grow. By approaching real estate investment with life insurance as a family, you harness the collective financial strength and cooperation of multiple family members to build wealth and secure a prosperous future together. This strategy not only benefits the current generation, but also serves as a powerful tool for passing on wealth to future generations through careful planning and collaboration. It fosters a legacy of financial security and opportunity that can endure for years to come, strengthening the bonds of your family and ensuring a brighter future for all. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth discussion of how families can combine life insurance and real estate investment to build wealth and secure a brighter future together. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful financial strategies and investment tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.